Does it feel that your life is very hard? It is so hard that sometimes you almost want to give up and have a break. I know, I used to was there as well. I felt that it is so hard that I don't know how to cope. Remember, I'm a foreigner, I got 3 kids, mortgage to have, all sorts of stuff to do, and it is incredibly hard. I've really almost hit rock bottom, and it felt that that's it, I'm lost. Do you know what I find the most biggest paradox? That here in UK, we just ask each other all the time the question, how are you? What do we reply? Yes, very well, thank you. Are we good? Are we doing so well? I don't think so. It is just a polite question. But this question, I believe, is intending as the original purpose to help. But we are far too shy and embarrassed to actually say no, I'm not very well. So today I'm going to give you 3 tips how you can make yourself happy, how you can change your life, and you will see that your life is not hard at all. Number 1, hard is for everybody. I know you will be maybe saying, what does it mean? But you don't need to buy some fancy painting who somebody created because that's their expression of the world. Create your own one. Because creating an art will make you understand who you are and will admit how the life is hard, and you can start to make changes by admitting, yes, it is hard. No, I'm not well. It is hard and I am going to change. So paint about it, look at it and see. Number 2, use art as your therapy. I used to spend endless amount of various therapies. I was talking so much about my pain from childhood, about how it's everything hard and how lost I am. It's just so many stories we're telling each other again and again and thinking that they will just go. But I believe they stay with us. What happened to you, it did happen to you. It will not just magically disappear, but you have to accept it. Painting about it, giving it some color or shape or whichever you're creating, you will put it there and you will see how you are not scared of it, how you done it and how you are proud of that. So number 3 is art is here to train our brain. So when we're doing art, we are relaxing so deeply, much more deeper than any exercise. Exercise is good, but this one is much more deeper. We are actually accessing this top brain, the brain who is the clever brain. This is the brain which makes us super duper relaxed, and that's the point. This relaxed state is so beneficial for us. We're creating a beautiful art for our home, and by creating it and looking at it, understanding who we are, and then putting it on the wall and not be scared or shy to admit, this is me with all my issues. That will make really deep brain plasticity development and really deep neural path, which will then stay with you and will come every day, because when you look at that picture, you will feel the proudness inside you and you will see how great you are, which is completely opposite to feel how the life is hard, right? Now we're talking about how you are so happy, how you are feel proud of yourself, how you feel relaxed and actually aiming energy. Just a little bit of painting every day. You will see the difference. And trust me, you will feel the difference. Paint with me. I love painting. I believe art saved my life. So let's paint together, because art is here for everybody. Art is given to us as a gift. So let's do it together and let me see, what did you think? Let me know.